Hey, what's up guys? It's Mike from Tesla 365, and today we're going to be doing a little experiment with the 75D, the Model S 75D, with Autopilot. And we're going to see what actually happens. It's going to be me, the Tesla 75D, Autopilot, and our very special guest. Over there.
You better
There he
pick
is.
that out.
He
You
thinks.
better pick that out. It's pretty good.
All right, and there is our special guest. Taking front and center. We're going to call him Sunkissed. For the rest of the day, he's going to be called Sunkissed. And what we're going to do is we're going to set the Autopilot. Don't listen to this kid over here. He doesn't want to be on camera. Doesn't want to be on camera. Doesn't want to be on camera. But he knows what to
You
say.
better pick that out.
Okay. Anyhow, we're gonna actually put the car in Autopilot and see what the orange actually does what it's supposed to do, which is keep me from having to put my hands on the wheel.
Or eat.
All right, so here we go, guys. We're gonna actually get onto Wesley Chapel Stouts Road over here in North Carolina. Make this turn, and then once we're in the lane and we have lane recognition, we get up to a decent speed, and it says, "Please keep your hands on the wheel. Be prepared to take over." Blah blah blah. Of course, we're about to run into the curb, but again, my hands are not on this wheel at all right now. I've got one hand on my over here, and my other hand's holding the camera. So we're gonna see. You know, before it was every 15 seconds it came up, "Please hold wheel, please hold wheel, please hold the wheel." This guy stops in front of us. I don't know what that noise is. When the front brakes lock up, it's like brrr. Terrible sounding. We're gonna see if this actually works though. So far we're looking pretty good.
Does it like launch?
What?
Oh, it doesn't
No,
launch.
it isn't gonna launch. The guy behind me is a moron though. Trying to drive up my ass, I guess. But yeah, we're going. Now hopefully it stays. I am gonna have to almost grab the wheel here if it tries to go off the road, because it sees the traffic to the left, and then still haven't grabbed the wheel. Wow, still haven't grabbed the wheel. I don't know how many seconds that is, but it's still driving itself. I'll tell you right now, Sunkiss is one hell of a driver. He's one hell of a driver. You hear that noise? I don't know what that noise is. I'm gonna have to bring that into the dealer and have to figure it out. To deal with that moron at the dealer. Can't give you a Tesla. Sorry. Alright, we're running out of lines right here. Oh, running out of lines. So that's why it alerted us. Because these shitty roads over here. They paved them, I don't know, 2 weeks ago, 3 weeks ago they paved the damn road. Still haven't put the damn lines on them. Unbelievable. What are you saying, Michael?
You're not recording the road.
I'm recording the road.
You weren't. You're
I wasn't. No,
recording
I know. I'm recording recording Sunkiss. Okay, he's the star of the day. Yeah, all the way up to the end of the world. They paved it. Crazy. All right, we're gonna have to go out to a road that's got actually some lines on it. See how long we can go here without actually having to touch the wheel. We ran out of lines, so of course the car said, you know, take over immediately, because there was no more lines for the car to follow. And I completely understand that. So we are trying to get to a spot that's got lines as fast as we possibly can. Big bumps.
Is it no roundabouts or no?
No, I don't know about the roundabouts. I guess we should see, right?
No.
Why not?
No.
Let's see.
They don't have lines.
It does have a line. It says, "Please keep your hands on the wheel." We're going to keep our hands on the wheel for the roundabout. The kid wants to see if it knows a roundabout. Nope, it does not know a roundabout. Whoa. It doesn't know a roundabout. How about that? All right, now this road does have lines. You want to trust it on this
Yes.
35-mile-an-hour turn? You trust it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, here we
You're
go.
50 miles per hour lower.
I'm going to lower it down. Yeah, you're right. We'll lower it down to a max 40. Again, still not touching the wheel, still not touching the wheel, still not touching the wheel. There's no message that's coming up.
Put your hand like this.
Like where? Like that?
Like up in the middle of the wheel.
Still not holding it. Look at that pink pail's about to jump out in front of us. Do you see that? There's some shit right there. But yeah, I'm still not touching the wheel. And I still have not seen that thing come up that says grab wheel or apply slight force. I think Sunkiss has done it. We've got a way not to touch. I mean, I'm not recommending anybody do this. Let me make that very clear. I'm just saying, if you're on a long drive and you don't really want to hold onto the wheel and have to deal with the nonsense. And somebody told me that if you jammed an orange in there, it would wind up working for you, and you wouldn't have to ever touch the wheel. So, and it looks like whoever that was is right. I'm just trying to remember who the heck it was now. Got so many friends that know everything, you know. It's very hard when you got all these friends that know everything about everything. But whoever this was 100% right. Who was it, Mike? Do you know?
The guy on the way back from our trip.
The way back from the trip. Who?
From New York. Virginia.
Was it one of my buddies? Or no? Yeah, no, it still has not come up. It would have come up so far. Right now, how long am I recording for? Recording for 5 minutes. And it only came up that one time when we ran out of lines. Huh?
Never mind.
What?
And whenever you're on a long trip,
yeah,
and if you don't keep pressure, it won't let you use it.
Yeah, if you don't keep pressure on the wheel, he's right. It kicked me out of auto drive. I was so mad about that. The way I look at it, this kills two birds with one stone. You don't have to put your hands on the wheel, and if you get hungry and you're in need of some vitamin C, orange. Boom. What do you think, bro?
Vitamins? Yeah.
Vitamin C, right there. It's all vitamin C right there. Little healthy snack. Look at that bug. What is that guy doing in here? He didn't pay for a ride. Open the window. Open the window. That guy did not pay for a ride. You see him? Not pay. Get the window open real quick. I asked Sunkiss to open it, and he didn't open it. Wow, this guy's hanging on for dear life. It's gone now. Probably going to have to grab the wheel when we go through this intersection, though, because there is no lines through the intersection. And that should be about it. Actually, what am I doing? I probably should make a left here, right, buddy? Yeah. Yeah, I think I should make a left here.
Well, so we'll go back on that road again?
Yeah, I'm going to make a left here, if it will let me. Alright, so it took that off. And I'm going to go left, and we're going to go right back down. No, not back down that road. This road's completely paved and lined the entire way. The voice in the background is my son. You know, we were supposed to do this YouTube channel together, but he's doing real well on his own YouTube channel and doesn't have time for his old man. And I understand that. I mean, I don't know if my dad wanted to do a YouTube channel, it would probably be about woodworking or something that I would not want to do. No, it will not. Temporary. Auto steer is temporarily unavailable. There we go. Boom. Keep your hands on the wheel. And I'm trying to get this camera as far back as I can, because when you go to video, it does not zoom out.
Got it.
You got it? Okay. Thank you. If we can get all the way down to that roundabout down there without it prompting me to grab the wheel, that'll be fantastic. Because that little bit of weight from the orange apparently is giving it just enough resistance that it thinks I'm holding the wheel. And seems to be doing the job. Oh no, apply light force to the steering wheel. It said it. It came up. Apply light force to the steering wheel. Maybe it's not a heavy enough orange. Maybe the orange isn't buoyant enough.
Maybe they got the hint. It's the same amount of pressure.
Yeah, I
every
don't know.
single time.
Well, I have no idea. We're gonna have to check this going the other way, going back, and see what the dealio is. As soon as we get straight here, I'll throw it back in autopilot and see how long we get.
Maybe you're gonna put it on the other side.
Huh? Put the orange on the other side?
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think it's gonna make a difference. It's gonna be the same weight, and because the wheel is perfectly, what is that word? The radius of the wheel is the same. I think it should be fine.
Radius, circumference?
Circumference. Okay. I didn't just get out of high school. Actually, you're still in high school. But it's been a long time since I was in high school. Alright, so it's doing its thing right now. Let's see how it goes. Before, how long did we get? We got a pretty good distance,
Like
right?
6 minutes?
Yeah, about 6 minutes without it coming on. I got this guy pulling out right here. Is it going to see him? Got no lines right here. Again, I apologize about the quietness, but I'm just completely ready if I need to grab this wheel to keep us from up. Apply light force to the steering wheel. Yep. And we've got to fail, people. We've got to fail. It is Autopilot does not work without you putting your hands on the wheel with an orange. Maybe it might be a grapefruit. Not sure. But we're also going to try this. We're going to try the opposite side, like the son said. Like my son said. We'll see if this works.
Where are we?
We're back by the airport road. We're gonna go up here and then make a left onto Old Monroe.
Wait, this is an airport? Or
Yeah, this is where the that show is every year. The what is that show called?
air show.
The air show. Yeah, but it's World War II, right, or something, or is it I don't remember where. It was North against South or something. Civil War. Yeah, they reenact the Civil War. That's exactly what they do, because they still think the war isn't over. And I don't blame them, because this time I'm on the right side. I'm in the South, baby. Long live the South. South will rise again. Look, see the plane? See the other plane landing? Or taking off? There's a plane right there. Whoa. We're looking at the planes and the cars all over the damn place. That plane's taking off right there. See it?
So it's like a practice place, like a school.
Well, no, it's not a school. It's an actual airport. You have your own private airplane.
So it's like a landing and...
Yeah, it's an airport where you land and take off.
When I think of an airport, I think of like...
It came up again. Apply light force to the steering wheel.
Alright, so for limited time, it's not that bad.
Well, yeah, for a limited time, it's not bad, but it did not pass the mic test. So anyway, guys, that was a wrap. We're done. Just wanted to give it a shot. We tried it 3 times, and we've got the same results every time. Apparently, this orange is not heavy enough to actually apply force to the wheel. Maybe we'll try to find a heavier orange, or possibly a melon, or grapefruit. We're gonna anything that we could eat on the way to our destination. We're gonna find it. We're gonna post it.
This gross stuff.
What?
Got gross stuff on the wheel.
It's all right. I'm gonna wipe it down. All right, guys, that's it. It's a wrap. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe, like the video, and share. Thanks, guys. Appreciate it.